Let's be honest, hitting that empty zone in your bank account before payday can be a major stressor. Maybe an unexpected bill pops up, or your car needs a repair. Whatever the reason, suddenly you're scrambling. That's where cash advance apps like Klover come in. They offer a quick way to get a little extra cash to bridge the gap until your next paycheck. But with all these apps out there, a big question arises. How much money can you actually get from Klover? Buckle up, because we're diving into Klover's cash advance limits. Unlike traditional loans, Klover doesn't base its advances on your credit score. Hallelujah for that. Instead, they assess your bank account activity to determine your eligibility and how much you can borrow. Here's the exciting part. Klover boasts advances ranging from $5 to a maximum of $225. That's a decent chunk of change to hold you over until payday. But wait, there's more. Klover also throws loyalty points into the mix. By consistently using the app responsibly and making your repayments on time, you can unlock even higher advance amounts. Think of it as a cash advance reward program. Pretty cool, right? Don't get too excited just yet. Here's the fine print. While the potential for a $225 cash boost sounds tempting, it's important to understand how Klover determines your specific limit. There's no magic formula, but here are some factors that might influence how much Klover is willing to lend you. Your banking history. Klover takes a deep dive into your bank account activity. They analyze your income deposits, recurring expenses, and overall financial health to gauge your ability to repay the advance. Previous Klover usage. If you've used Klover before and consistently paid back your advances on time, you're more likely to qualify for a higher amount next time. Overall demand. Klover might adjust advance limits based on overall app usage. If there's a sudden surge in loan requests, they might temporarily lower limits to ensure everyone gets a fair shot. Avoiding the pitfalls. Responsible borrowing with Klover. While Klover seems like a lifesaver in a pinch, it's crucial to borrow responsibly. Here are some key points to remember. Klover isn't free money. Remember, you need to repay the advance on your designated due date. There are no interest charges, but Klover offers an optional fast funding fee and the option to leave a tip. While these are completely voluntary, they can add to the overall cost. Don't borrow more than you can repay. Getting a cash advance shouldn't become a habit. Only borrow what you absolutely need and know you can comfortably repay on your next payday. Consider alternatives. If you find yourself needing to rely on cash advances frequently, it might be a sign of a bigger budgeting issue. Explore creating a budget or finding ways to increase your income to avoid the cycle of borrowing. So, how much can you get from Klover? Unfortunately, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The best way to find out your Klover cash advance limit is to download the app and see what they offer you. It's a free download, and there's no obligation to accept an advance if you don't need it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay financially informed.